National Bureau of Statistics of China released data on April 18th that according to preliminary estimates, China's gross domestic product (GDP) in the first quarter reached 28,499.7 billion yuan, up by 4.5% year-on-year at constant price. The figure 4.5% went viral among the foreign media, and it is generally believed that China's economy got off to a solid start in 2023. According to CNBC, China's economy has been under the spotlight and grew more than expected at 4.5% year-on-year, beating estimates to see growth of 4% in a Reuters poll. It also marks the highest growth for China's economy since the first quarter of last year. Reuters says China's economy grew at a faster than expected pace in the first quarter. Financial Times, citing an expert's view, reports that the recovery is on track. The momentum at the beginning of the year was stronger than expected. CNN says as China's economic recovery gains traction, investment banks and international organizations have upgraded China's growth forecasts for the year. Among the performance indicators of China's economic growth for the first quarter, consumption recovery has become a focus of foreign media. American broadcasting company ABC says China's economic growth accelerated in the latest quarter as consumers flocked back to shops and restaurants. Reuters quoting analysts, China's economic recovery is well on track. The bright spot is consumption, which is strengthening as household confidence improves. CNBC, citing JP Morgan, views that China's retail sales were driven by continuous release of pent-up consumer demands and expects to see higher GDP growth rate in the coming quarters, adding the government's annual growth target of 5% is achievable. A robust Chinese economy is also an encouraging stimulus for the whole world and will emerge as a key driver for global economic growth. Bloomberg reports that IMF sees the world economy expanding about 3% over the next half-decade. The outlook over the next 5 years is the weakest in more than 3 decades. In total, 75% of global growth is expected to be concentrated in 20 countries, and over half in the top 4: China, India, the US, and Indonesia. China will be the top contributor to global growth over the next 5 years, with its share set to be double that of the US.